How to make a totaling column formula in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the spreadsheet in which you want to create a totaling column. After that, once you select the column for which you want a sum, at the bottom you can simply see the sum without actually entering any formula. But if you want to enter the sum value in the column, click on the empty cell. At the top in the formula section, go to auto sum. Now after that you simply need to select the column for which you want the totaling column. Write the value like here equals to sum B2 is to B7. Hit the enter key and at the bottom you can simply see the total. So that's it. That is how easily you can make a totaling column formula in Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.